Jatana Funkam Tawajo Nata Noi pre market settling by drop. Ike Tini pre market top Punka UPL Tini pre market settling ka Nifty Kishan negative pre market ni list 3 December mas ni expiry date Sangtini bro trade khaiman ailena Nifty December future neutral tabok Nifty December future no short khainai tini karan tini December future ni expiry date tini stock future trade khainai ke kabang margin nang full margin breakout order by cover order kam khaya tini Ike Nifty December ni future no short khainai tag level ka 12,215 14 12,243 no trigger price complete order tag negative 112 negative 180 Ike te kesha lot no short khainai bull level short khai mano nailai no te kesha bo 12,243 on trigger price is nai market order complete duita lot ka tao negative no tao kesha positive of gaya kasha lot exit khai pe na kasha lot no exit khai pe shani tao exit kasha lot exit ka tao te kasha lot tongko profit 400 Nifty of ya brokers kapang maru te kasha lot no bo buzaga exit khai man nai na tao sel tongo 12,209 point something 11 9.55 12,209 trigger price read okay. Around 9 the Tawazagan Gurito 12,209 exiting Malia 12,209 ni tola phake submit exit exiting ka 400 profit 431 intrade apatat asana Nifty kintu brokerage BC thango 431 profit version tarana ngose Malia hake taboga apatat phungni trade asana tabai sang 10:34 যদি তেবো trade खाइमा का तो खाएना यहाँ का ताबुक जरूरत है आसुना 431 दिन in profit